Got the Falcon E3196 glass ceramic top range. This one we've got the 2x1 gastro oven underneath. This is your oven controller, goes up to 250 degrees. Good wee oven. We've got the 6 zones on this. It's 6 times 2.3 kilowatts, so it's 2.3 kilowatts in each zone. This is radiant heat, so it's not like induction, so you can use any pot, any pan on it. You don't need to worry about buying special pots. So what they do, 6 individual controllers, really simple. Turn the controller, and this heats the zone, so the zone physically gets hot, not like induction heat in your pan. So you'll get a glowing red element. What will happen, we've got a hot surface warning sign as well, so this will come on when either of the zones are hot. Also, if you turn that off and it's still hot, this will stay on until it's cool enough to touch. So we've got our wee symbols there. Some of the advantages with this, if you've got larger, this single pot's fine for that. If you've got a larger stock pot, you can put that over 2 or 3 of the zones. And you just need to make sure you're controlling them independently. But what you need to remember with these, as it's the radiant heat, your pan handles will get hot. So that's it. You can see the elements now. So they'll glow red, and that is your main zone. They are square to let you know it's the ceramic range and not the induction. Yeah. Right, so fan assisted oven, double door. Got these controllers here for this. Goes from 100 all the way up to 250 degrees. You get 2x1 gastros, so you get 2 gastros in lengthways on either shelf. Comes with 2 shelves that are adjustable to whatever height you need. We've got the wee light button here. So, off. Make sure you close this one first. So once you're finished cooking, just need to make sure you turn your dials off. This will still stay hot for a while, so you just need to wait until your wee lights go out. Once those are out, it's cool enough to touch. And all you need then is good hot soapy water and some blue roll and a dry wipe, and you're good to go. Right, so once you've let the solid top cool, hot soapy water, wipe, bit of blue roll, there you go, ready for your next service. Simple as that.